Success isn't just a goal, it's a mindset. It's the pursuit of excellence, a passion that drives us forward. At Vanguard-Sentinel Career and Technology Centers, it's that same commitment that sets us apart. Career tech education is about training that leads to real opportunities. We're not here for recognition. We're here to help you build a future. We are prepared, motivated, and here to equip you with sharp skills that prepare you to step confidently towards your future and bring you one step closer to your dreams. We believe that learning today shapes the leaders of tomorrow. Welcome to Vanguard-Sentinel.